Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and start playing One Block in Minecraft. This is by far one of the most unique and fun custom maps out there, and whether you're looking to spice up your single player world or just start a challenge with friends, this is an awesome way to play. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, a like goes a long way. Thank you so much in advance. But what exactly is One Block? Basically, it's a survival map where you begin on just a single block floating in the void. The twist is, when you break that block, another one appears, and it's not just any block, it's actually going to change over time. It kind of starts off as dirt, then wood, then ores, sometimes even chests with rare loot appear, and you pretty much build an entire world from this single regenerating block. It's super addicting and surprisingly strategic. Me and Miguel played this a long time ago. It's kind of how we got into Minecraft content overall. So shout out Miguel. But enough of that, let's dive straight into how you guys can play this. To get started, if you're in Minecraft, obviously go ahead and close it. If you're in the launcher as well, you're also going to need to close it. Open up your browser on the other hand, and this can be any browser. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to use Chrome here, but anything works. And go ahead and search up One Block CurseForge and click on that first link up at the very top. It should look something like this. It might say Spring to Life. This kind of changes sometimes. They update this a lot, so that's why it says that. But the website overall should look something like this. Now, I do want to say CurseForge is one of the safest and most reliable sites for Minecraft content and Minecraft mods, so don't worry, this is trustworthy. Nothing to stress through on here, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to click in order to download it and make sure you don't accidentally download something else. Now, once you get on this page, go ahead and navigate to the Files tab, because you are going to want to make sure you choose the right version. There's going to be a ton of different download files here. Each is going to correspond to a different Minecraft version, so make sure you're grabbing the version that works for your game. My current version of Minecraft is actually 1.21.5, but if you're on previous versions, it's still going to work. And if you're on future versions as well, this is also going to work. Just find the one for your specific Minecraft version. I can't stress enough, it's not going to work unless you get the right one, so please make sure to find the one for your version. Find the little three dots next to it, click on it, and then hit download file. If you have the CurseForge app, you can also download it with that. It's completely up to you. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to assume y'all don't have the CurseForge app. I'm going to hit download file. It's going to take me to a page that looks something like this. Now, there is a lot of ads that'll pop up on this page. Ignore all of them and just wait for that download to start. The countdown should be about right here. And as you can see, it'll download right up here for you. Now, it might have some funky looking text. Ignore that. And essentially what I'm going to do just to make this easier is drag this onto my desktop. And we are actually almost done, believe it or not. Now, when you open up the folder, it should look something like this. And there's a bunch of different stuff in here. You actually don't want this zip folder. So you can either just right click on it or just open it up. Essentially just extract all and then hit extract. It's going to download and move all of those out of the zip file. Essentially, this is just unzipping it. This process might look a little bit different on Mac, but nonetheless, it's going to work. Find that unzipped folder. I'm going to go ahead and move that actually towards the middle of the screen right here. And it should look something like this for you now. If it doesn't look like this for you, go back, double check, make sure you didn't do something wrong. Because as you can see, if I open this up and it'll look like this, there's going to be a bunch of different folders inside of here. That's going to be what actually makes this work, like level dat old, session lock. This is kind of the complicated part, so lock in for this. You're going to want to go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. It might take a second to load if you're launching into it for the first time. But essentially, once you get in the Minecraft launcher, go ahead and head to the Installations tab up at the top for Minecraft Java Edition. If you want a Bedrock Edition tutorial, let me know down in the comments. I can help you out. And I should have one of those going up pretty soon overall, so just check the channel as well. But if it hasn't been uploaded yet, just leave a comment. I got you. Don't worry. When you're on Java Edition's installation tab, though, go ahead and click New Installation. It should look something like this. And you can name this really whatever you would like. I'm just going to go ahead and name it One Block 1.21.5 just because it's super convenient. Make sure this version is set to the same version for the one that you downloaded. And then kind of ignore this part and hit install at the bottom. It should look something like this for you. And then as you can see, it's saying preparing down here. Now, it might completely reload Minecraft. It might reset that Minecraft launcher, or it might actually load you into Minecraft. Doesn't really matter. If it does any of those things, just ignore it, especially if it loads you into Minecraft. Just exit out of that because we still need to be in this Minecraft launcher. So go back to the installations page, find this section, hover over it, and find this little open installations folder and click on it. It's going to open up your file explorer again. It should look something like this. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down till you see a folder that says saves. If you don't have this folder, you're able to create it, but you probably do have it. So just look for it for a sec. And as you can see, this is actually going to be every single world that you've actually created in Minecraft. So it's actually pretty interesting. But I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these for the sake of this. It's actually going to delete them in Minecraft as well, but that's okay. You don't need to do that. It just is going to be easier for the sake of this tutorial for me to show you that this works. But essentially, once you get in this page, you're going to want to find that one block folder from earlier and just drag it into here. Should look something like this. You can actually rename this folder if you would like. I'm not going to do that for the sake of this just because I don't need to, but it's completely up to you. But just like that, the map is now installed. Now to actually launch it, go ahead and exit out of this and then find that one block section, and you can either hit play next to it on the installation tab or on the main page, just like so. Go ahead and click on this option and find that one block page. Click on it, hit play. It's going to load you in for a second. Once you're in game, go ahead and click single player and you should see a one block original world has appeared. Super easy. This used to be a much trickier setup, but now it is incredibly simple, which is awesome. Just simply go ahead and hit the little play icon and you'll be loaded in. Now, I'm not going to lie, I've already started working on this, so kind of ignore the progress that I've already made, but your first thought might be, what now? Don't worry, you just need to break the block beneath you, just like so. And yes, you could be standing on it, and it's just going to constantly keep making more blocks just like this. There's even this cool like progress bar up at the top, which is pretty nice, super convenient, to tell you which stage you're on in your current world. I definitely recommend building around because it's a good way to get some extra blocks just so that they don't fall off. And another good thing to do is actually build underneath it a little bit as well. This can definitely be a trickier process, so you got to keep that in mind. But you definitely want to start saving materials, especially grass, which is useful for farming later on. Trust me, farming is going to be a big part of your one block journey, but you'll see that soon enough. I'm just going to continue to expand a little bit. I think I need to go this way. There's no way I just ran out of dirt right here. That's crazy. But honestly, I might just be getting slightly distracted. This mode is just way too fun. Some quick tips: save your tools, especially the wooden ones. Build a chest as soon as you can. And if you fall, you're going to lose everything. So don't take any chances. As you can see, I've already collected some wood. I have quite a bit of wooden planks and oak planks. I've already created a chest, a crafting table. You're going to want to go ahead and pretty much make everything as soon as possible, especially like a pickaxe or an axe to speed up mining. But yeah, quick little recap. We downloaded the one block map from CurseForge, extracted the folder, dropped it into Minecraft, launched the correct game version, and now we're building a sky empire from just one regenerating block. Pretty awesome, right? If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and we'd be happy to help you out. And if you do want a Bedrock version tutorial, let us know and we can make that too. Before you go, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe with notifications turned on for more content like this. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and happy building.